So what we wanted to do is really create a framework. We want to create a process, bring organization and structure about how we go ahead and solve this challenge. Today we want to walk everyone through the basics of how you hire the right employees, how you inspire your management staff, and ultimately how do we create a culture that's going to set your organization apart from the rest. There are two specific things that I want to call out before diving in today. Is we really wanted to introduce data into the decision-making process. Today, hiring is highly driven by gut decisions. You know, somebody has a pretty good resume, their personality seems solid, let's pull the trigger and let's just see if it works out. We like to call that it's really mixing art and science together and how those two things complement each other well to make the most informed decision possible. So data usage is one. The second is, we're highly sensitive and we recognize that life of leadership inside of a dealership is extremely difficult. Talent management, as I like to say, it's always important, but it's rarely ever urgent. We live in 30-day windows where we have competing priorities. So for this program to work for a dealer, it must be simple. It must be able to enable the right activities, but it can't be a burden. So, while it's not something that you can outsource to somebody completely, it makes a lot of sense to have someone who is going to be able to do a lot of the legwork for you, that be hands-on and help you through the process, making sure that the right activities are happening at the right time. So data and our approach to really being helpful enablers are really two things that we wanted to call out in this particular program.